Bali has many hidden gems and iconic spots with unique stories. Want to know 2024's top destinations? Continue as we reveal 10 amazing destinations that could make your trip unforgettable. You may find an unexpected place. Ubud. It's clear why Ubud is Bali's cultural and spiritual center. Green rice terraces surround this charming town, offering stunning views and a peaceful atmosphere. Ubud's arts, crafts, and performances showcase Bali's rich traditions. One of the most popular attractions is the Ubud Monkey Forest, where you can see hundreds of monkeys in their natural habitat and ancient temples. Ubud is full of galleries and museums for art lovers. Traditional Balinese paintings and modern art are available. Local artisans sell jewelry, textiles, and crafts at the town's bustling markets. Ubud is a place to relax, practice yoga and meditation, or get a Balinese massage. Ubud combines nature, culture, and relaxation to capture Bali's essence, whether you're exploring rice fields or temples. Temple Tanah Lot. Tanah Lot Temple, perched on a seaside rock formation, is one of Bali's most famous sites. Local Balinese revere this ancient Hindu sea god temple. Since the sky turns vibrant colors at sunset, the temple is especially beautiful silhouetted against the horizon. Low tide allows visitors to walk to the temple, but it is usually closed for prayer. The surrounding area has plenty to see and do. Paths to different temple views, caves with natural springs, and souvenir shops selling Balinese goods are available. Tanah Lot is more than just the temple. It's about the experience of nature and spirituality coming together. The peaceful surroundings and waves crashing against the rocks make it a memorable visit. Uluwatu Temple. Bali's most spectacular temple, Uluwatu, overlooks the Indian Ocean from a cliff. One of Bali's spiritual pillars, this temple honors sea spirits. The temple is simple, but its location is special. Temple offers stunning ocean views, especially at sunset when the sky is painted in colors. Every evening at sunset, Uluwatu hosts the Kechak dance, a highlight. A large group of men chant and move in a circle to create a mesmerizing rhythm in this Balinese dance. The dance depicts the Hindu epic Ramayana. Uluwatu has many monkeys, like Ubud, in addition to its culture. Though sacred, they can be mischievous. Uluwatu Temple is a destination for its natural beauty, cultural richness, and spirituality. Seminyak, Bali's most fashionable beach town, is known for its upscale vibe and lively atmosphere. Those seeking luxury will love this area's luxurious resorts, chic boutiques, and trendy cafes. Wide, sandy Seminyak beaches are ideal for sunbathing, swimming, or sipping a drink. A highlight of Seminyak is its vibrant nightlife. Famous beach clubs like Potato Head and Coup d'etat have sunset views, great music, and fun crowds. Seminyak has plenty of places to dance or drink cocktails by the pool. You can browse the town's many shops for designer clothes and souvenirs during the day. Those seeking handmade crafts and art should visit local markets. Seminyak is ideal for luxury beach life in Bali due to its mix of relaxation and excitement. Penida. Nusa Penida, a rugged island off Bali's southeast coast, offers adventure and beauty. It's farther from the main island and offers a less crowded, untouched Bali. Nature lovers love the island's towering cliffs, clear blue waters, and hidden beaches. Keeling King Beach, known as T-Rex Bay due to its cliffs, is a Nusa Penida landmark. The top view of turquoise waters and white sand beaches is stunning. Angel's Billabong, an ocean infinity pool, and Crystal Bay, known for its snorkeling and clear waters, are also popular. After a short boat ride from Bali to Nusa Penida, rent a scooter or hire a local driver to explore. Though the roads are rough, the views and experiences are worth it. Nusa Penida offers adventure and stunning scenery for those seeking Bali's wild side. Tegalalang Rice Terraces. The Tegalalang Rice Terraces are one of Bali's most famous sites. These rice terraces, just a short drive from Ubud, showcase Bali's centuries-old Subak irrigation system. Beautifully sculpted terraces on the hillside create a stunning view of lush green fields cascading down the valley. Visit Tegalalang for more than photos. You can walk along the terrace's narrow paths to see how local farmers work the fields. Some places have swings that let you fly over the terraces and see this beautiful area. Learn about Bali's agricultural traditions and rice's importance in local culture at the Tegalalang rice terraces. Many visitors enjoy guided tours to learn about these fields' rice farming history and methods. The tranquil side of Bali is best experienced at Tegalalang, with its peaceful atmosphere and natural beauty. Mount Batur. Adventurers love hiking Mount Batur, Bali's active volcano. Most hikers start in the dark to reach Mount Batur's summit before sunrise. The moderately difficult hike to the peak takes 2 hours, but it's worth it. You can see the Caldera Lake and Mount Agung in the distance as the sun rises. The sunrise's pink, orange, and gold hues make it a magical time for photos and reflection. After the hike, many visitors relax at one of the natural hot springs near the mountain base to soak their muscles and enjoy the peaceful surroundings. Local guides lead the trek and discuss the volcano's history and significance to the Balinese. Adventurers and nature lovers in Bali must visit Mount Batur. Canggu, a laid-back Bali coastal village, has a vibrant surf culture, relaxed vibe, and beautiful beaches. Surfers of all levels love it because it has waves for beginners and pros. Batu Balong and Echo Beach are popular surf spots where you can surf or relax on the beach. Beyond the surf, Canggu has a vibrant cafe scene with smoothie bowls and gourmet coffee. Yoga retreats, from beginner to advanced, are popular in the area. With plenty of beach bars serving cold drinks and sunset views, Canggu's beaches are ideal for relaxing. Due to its laid-back vibe and creative energy, Canggu is attracting more digital nomads. Canggu has bohemian streets with co-working spaces, art studios, and boutique shops. Canggu is a must-see in Bali for surfing, relaxing, and experiencing local culture. Tirta Empul Temple, one of Bali's most sacred temples, Tirta Empul is known for its holy spring water, where locals and visitors cleanse spiritually. This temple honors Vishnu, the Hindu god of water and purification, in Tampaksiring. The natural spring-fed purification pool is Tirta Empul's main attraction. Water flows from several stone spouts lining the pool. Visitors can wash themselves at each spout to purify their body and soul. It's spiritual, and many believe the water heals. Traditional Balinese architecture, statues, and lush gardens make the temple complex beautiful. It's a peaceful place to reflect on Bali's spirituality. Wear a sarong and sash, usually provided at the entrance, to show respect. Tirta Empul is a must-see for its unique chance to experience Bali's cultural and spiritual heritage. Valley of Sidemen. Sidemen Valley is one of Bali's best-kept secrets, offering peace and quiet from the crowds. This tranquil valley in East Bali is known for its lush rice fields, rolling hills, and untouched villages. It offers authentic rural Bali life away from the crowds. Sidemen Valley's rice paddies and tranquility make for relaxing walks or hikes. The area is also great for learning Balinese crafts. Local workshops make ikat, hand-dyed fabric, and other handmade goods. Staying in Sidemen lets you unwind and enjoy life. Many small guest houses and eco-resorts offer natural accommodations with stunning views of Mount Agung. You can relax, breathe fresh air, and enjoy the peaceful atmosphere here. Bali's natural beauty and cultural richness are best experienced in Sidemen Valley, away from the crowds. These 10 spots capture Bali's magic with adventure, culture, and relaxation. These places leave lasting memories whether you visit once or again. Discover Bali's best in 2024.